fellow chemistry students, and welcome to my video introducing physical and chemical changes. Let's start out by defining what a physical change and a chemical change is. A physical change is a change from one physical state to another without a change in its chemical composition. Some examples of physical changes are, but not limited to, the melting of ice. As you can see here, this is a physical change because you're only simply just changing the state of matter from solid to liquid. Boiling water is also changing the state of matter, but this time from liquid to gas. Most mixtures are usually physical changes, as this one is the mixing of water and sugar. Breaking a leaf is a physical change because I'm just making it into a smaller piece. Chemical changes, on the other hand, create a new substance, which involves breaking or making chemical bonds between the atoms. And you can indicate a chemical change happened if you see one or more of the following: fire, a temperature change without heating or cooling the reaction, an explosion, a change in color, a change in odor, and lastly, if you see bubbling and fizzing. Turning on this stove is a chemical reaction because you can see fire. First, we start out with some sugar, and slowly as you begin to melt it, this is a chemical change because there is a slight change in odor, that nice scent of caramel, and also, as you can see, the change in color as it turns more brown. This last reaction I advise you to not try at home. Here we take some stump remover, which contains potassium permanganate, add some glycerin, and then add some water to speed up the reaction, and we have a chemical change right there. As you can see, we have a little bit of bubbling and fizzing, we have smoke release, and as you will see shortly, we have some fire. And there's also a little odor. Thank you for watching my introductory video on physical and chemical changes. I hope you learned a lot.